mission with the Guardians of the Galaxy. And so much more.
So much more. In fact, it is a night of training and a time to celebrate all your successful missions of the day. Yes! Now, to guide us through the campus, I'd like to introduce to you Agent Romanoff, but you might know her better as Black Widow.
You look like a great bunch of recruits. You can call me Natasha. I'll be leading you in tonight's events. Now, the first thing that we need to do.
Greetings, mortal beings. I'm Loki of Asgard. Oh, look at all of you, gathered with misplaced faith. Join me, and you will find your true power and potential.
Oh, look, it's Thor's less mighty brother. What are you up to, Loki?
You underestimate me. This campus is under my command. Watch.
Loki's up to his tricks again. All agents, report to HQ!
So pitiful. What you fail to realize is, I have the upper hand. For every one of us, choice breeds uncertainty. They are strong, ambitious, and eager for leadership. They will join my path.
You don't know what you're talking about, Loki. Agents, keep the recruits safe.
Copy.
They are now under my command, Miss Romanoff.
Agent Ward. Agent, stand down. You know this won't end well for you. Do you really want to fight your way out of this? Not today, Loki. In fact, I've invited a few friends to this party.
On your left.
Hey, Nat, you need a little help?
You are beneath me, you miserable humans. And you don't have the power to stop me.
No, but I do. Sorry I'm late. There was traffic in the multiverse.
Eliminates them.
See, this is all Loki's trickery and power. We can break the hold that Loki has over the campus with your help. Repeat this spell. By the Eye of Agamotto. reverse this campus curse. Say it with me. By the eye of Agamotto, reverse this campus curse. Give it all you've got, again. By the eye of Agamotto, reverse this campus curse. That's good. Remember the spell. When the time comes, we'll use it together. Here we go.
Give it up, Loki.
The soldier, a man out of time.
I'm not the one who's out of time. I can do this all day. Avengers! Assemble!
Down!
My brother, these recruits are innocent. Hurting them will gain you nothing.
Are you trying to appeal to my humanity?
Enough, Loki! There is no world in which you win this fight.
Recruits, now, it's time to use the spell. Say it with me. By the eye of Agamotto, reverse this campus curse. Again, by the eye of Agamotto, reverse this campus curse.
Until next time, brother.
Recruits, assemble!
Once again, let's say thank you to the Avengers. And thank you to all the new recruits who once again saved the day and stopped Loki from taking over the Avengers Campus.
Indeed, very well done. Now, as we were saying, we have a lot of activities in store for you tonight. But first, we're going to take this moment to introduce a very special person who is going to officially welcome you to Avengers Campus.
Everyone, please welcome the one and only MrBeast.
How's it going, everybody? Wasn't that awesome? Yeah, give a round of applause for all of them. Big crush. Okay, so as you know, we still have a lot of fun left tonight, and we have one more surprise. So, how many of you guys have seen the Avenger films? Yeah? Do you remember Jarvis and Vision? Well, what if I told you Paul Bettany, who plays them, is going to come in over here, and he has Funko Pops for all of you that he's going to hand out. Yes, come on out. Yes, he's got a giant crate of them. We're going to make sure each and every one of you get a special Funko Pop. Yes, and so in a moment we'll hand all those out, and it'll be a lot of fun. But who's ready to go inside the park? Okay, 1 second. They told me there's a specific sentence I had to say to cue some of the confetti cannons. Okay. All right, Avengers Campus is yours for the night. Are you guys ready? 3, 2,